Discover the Deco 220V200A MMA welder, a compact, lightweight powerhouse perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable, efficient welding on mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron with minimal spat. And excellent precision, safe, portable, and versatile. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the Hitbox 240V Mini AR200D, a lightweight portable arc welder weighing just over 3 kilograms, perfect for DIY, repairs and small projects. Featuring a user-friendly LCD display, hot start, ARC force and smart system synergy, it ignites electrodes effortlessly and welds materials up to 5mm thick, making welding safer, easier and more precise. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the 5Fanky ARC 240 Mini Welder, a super lightweight, portable welding machine weighing just 2.1 kilograms and measuring only 21 centimeters by 13 centimeters by 9 centimeters, perfect for on-the-go projects. With advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers smooth, stable arcs for both lift TIG and stick welding, handling electrodes from 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters. Safe, energy efficient, and packed with features like anti-stick and adjustable hot start. It's a game changer for DIYers and pros alike. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the Reboot 160 amp mini welder, a game changer for DIYers and pros alike. Weighing just 2.1 kilograms, it's ultra portable, yet packs a punch with fast arc starts, smooth operation and deep melts for professional looking welds on metal plates more than 2 millimeters thick. With an intuitive LCD display, hot start, anti-stick and arc force features, it's easy to use and highly reliable. Perfect for home repairs, farm work, or on-the-go projects. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Discover the Haxiawa 205A Stick Welder, a portable 240V inverter machine with a smart LCD display that makes welding effortless. With built-in synergic control, adjustable arc force, hot start, and versatile modes for MIG, IRC, and lift TIG welding, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Compact, durable, and packed with safety features. Your ultimate welding companion. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Discover the 5Fanky ARC 200, a powerful, compact 240-volt, 200-amp stick welder that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its large LED digital display, automatic parameter adjustment, and 3-in-1 MMA, lift TIG, and RC modes make welding easier and safer than ever. Lightweight and built for durability, it's your go-to tool for any welding project. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the upgraded RC145 stick lift TIG welding machine, a lightweight, just 2.1 kilograms, powerhouse designed for DIYers, farmers and pros alike. With a 145 amp output at 240V, smart LED display, hot start and arc force, it delivers smooth, deep welds quickly and reliably. Perfect for home repairs or metal fabrication. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment.